This old Coken set from back when I was in auto collision. If you're still doing that, probably the best set you could get. And I don't have a 10. Fuck me. Okay. Rip it off. Oh, that's why. This guy always came in clutch. It's probably one of my most used tools. I ordered the bumper pre-painted and they sent it in, and obviously it's folded up. Not too bad, just some scuffs here and there. I'll probably end up buffing out, but got this on. Go ahead, careful with this one. Let's see. Gotta get this. And what they told me was, you spray the side right here with some soap and water. And long tag you spray here too. So, let me know what you think. Hopefully she'll like it.